इस इंसान को तो आप जानते ही होंगे। ये फेमस है प्लेयर्स के दाम बढ़ाने के लिए।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
लेकिन इनकी टीम दिल्ली कैपिटल्स के दाम बढ़े या नहीं? पहले के एपिसोड्स में हमने बात की थी एमआई, सीएसके और आरसीबी की नेटवर्थ और रेवेन्यूज की, और आज हम बात करेंगे दिल्ली कैपिटल्स की, एक ऐसी टीम की जो 18 साल से ट्रॉफी लेस है। बट डिस्पाइट बीइंग अ ट्रॉफी लेस टीम, इज दिल्ली कैपिटल्स अर्निंग प्रॉफिट्स? आइए जानते हैं इस वीडियो में। $2008 के आईपीएल टीम ऑक्शन में जीएमआर ग्रुप ने दिल्ली को $84 मिलियन में खरीदा था फॉर अ 10 years tenure. At that time, the name of the team was Delhi Daredevils. With senior players like Sehwag and Gambhir in it, Delhi Daredevils was very consistent for the first 2 seasons. IPL के first season 2008 में Delhi Daredevils qualified for the playoffs but lost against Rajasthan Royals in the semi-finals. इसके बाद 2009 के IPL season में Delhi Daredevils की team was considered as the most destructive team of the IPL. You won't believe, but players like Virendra Sehwag, AB de Villiers, Gautam Gambhir, David Warner and Glenn McGrath, all these players played for a single franchise, Delhi Daredevils. With this star-studded squad, Delhi ने लीग स्टेज में पॉइंट्स टेबल के टॉप पर फिनिश किया, लेकिन एक और सेमीफाइनल लॉस के बाद they were knocked out of the tournament. और यहां से शुरू हुआ दिल्ली डेयरडेविल्स का एक बहुत ही बुरा दौर। 2010 से 2018 तक के आईपीएल सीजन्स में दिल्ली सिर्फ एक ही बार प्लेऑफ्स में क्वालिफाई कर पाई। The fans were angry, the management was disappointed, and the brand valuation was also not increasing like all the other franchises of this league. इसके चलते in the year 2018, GMR Group sold 50% of stake in Delhi Daredevils to JSW Sports for $64 million. And with this, in the same year, the name of Delhi Daredevils was changed to Delhi Capitals. नए नाम के साथ दिल्ली का लक भी चेंज होना शुरू हो गया। 2019 से लगातार 3 सीजन्स तक Delhi Capitals qualified for the playoffs and also played the finals for the very first time in 2020. इसी कंसिस्टेंसी के बेसिस पे the brand valuation also started to increase, and currently, as of 2025, Delhi Capitals is now worth $80 million. After IPL 2024, DC's brand valuation increased by 24% compared to the previous year. लेकिन Delhi Capitals का earning structure होता कैसा है, और इस साल IPL 2025 में उनका रेवेन्यू कितना होगा? आइए जानते हैं। So, Delhi Capitals भी just like any other team earns its maximum revenue from BCCI media rights. And in this IPL 2025 season, जिस तरह से दिल्ली खेल रही है, it seems like वो इस बार media rights से काफी earn कर सकते हैं. According to some reports, it is estimated that Delhi, just like all the other IPL teams, इस बार 400 से 450 करोड़ रुपए earn करेगी solely from the BCCI media rights. इतना ही नहीं, दिल्ली भी अपने 7 गेम्स होम ग्राउंड पे खेलने वाली है। इन 7 मैचेस में 5 मैचेस अरुण जेटली स्टेडियम और 2 मैचेस विशाखापट्टनम में खेले जाएंगे। With the performance that they are giving, the stadiums will be filled to see them win. Let's assume the average ticket price would be 3,000 rupees, and there are some 30,000 fans in the stadium for all their 7 home matches. This makes the total of 9 to 10 crore rupees per home match and 65 to 70 crore rupees just from their home leg. इसमें से Delhi would get 80% of the ticket sales, making it 50 to 55 crores from their ticketing revenue. 2025 मेगा ऑक्शन से पहले दिल्ली कैपिटल्स ने ऋषभ पंत को रिलीज कर दिया था after 9 years of association. And now, since Rishabh, who had a huge fan following, no longer plays for Delhi Capitals, this might make a small impact on their merchandise sales. However, Delhi signed KL Rahul this year, but still, without Rishabh Pant, their merchandise sales can go down, and they might earn approximately 10 to 15 crores in this IPL 2025. इसके बावजूद, we all know कि Delhi has got a good number of sponsors in the IPL 2025. DC have Hero MotoCorp as their title sponsors, DP World and All Seasons as their principal sponsors, GMR, JSW Paints and Geo as their associate partners. Lastly, Dream 11, Bisleri and Amul Protein as their official partners. As per reports, ऐसा estimate किया जाता है कि Delhi Capitals would be earning 100 to 120 crores from these sponsorship contracts only. सारे रेवेन्यू सोर्सेज को ऐड करें तो दिस ईयर IPL 2025 सीजन में दिल्ली कैपिटल्स वुड बी अर्निंग अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 620 to 650 crore rupees. With a net worth of $80 million, Delhi Capitals is the 7th most valuable franchise in the IPL as of 2025. So what do you guys think? आखिर ऐसी कौन सी strategy है that Delhi needs to change to fight with the top branded teams in the IPL? Let us know your views and stay tuned for more episodes in this series.